Hi, thanks for watching this video from Dubbers Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our solar orange Audi S3. So this has got to be, I'm torn whether it's Imola yellow, sprint blue or the orange, but I know for sure the orange ones are definitely probably the rarest of them. So we've just picked this up. It's got good service history with it. Really clean, nice straight car for the age and mileage. Wings are all good, no rust on there or anything like that. It's got a receipt for the cambelt and haldex service. Tyres are all matching. And it really is a really clean and straight looking car. So as always with all our cars, they're all HPI clear. They're all supplied with a warranty as well. It's got 2 keys with it and it's a standard car. It's got no remaps, still got standard exhaust on, no induction kit, anything like that. Got the full black perforated leather on it. Door cards are really good. It's done a 111,024 miles now. It's going to go through the workshop as well. By the time it goes live, it'll have been through the workshop. Again, seats are all nice and good. Very slight bit of wear. But I think for the age and mileage of the car. And the bodywork's really good in it. You can see from the arches and everything there. And there we go. So we can offer part exchange as well. It'll come with 12 months MOT. And there's that side as well. Hopefully that's showing how clean it is. Again, don't really think there's any marks even on the bonnet that I can point out for you. It is in artificial light here. And yeah, no car parking dents, anything like that. So as always, if you've got any questions, if you'd like to arrange a test drive or reviewing, just give us a ring or drop us an email.